Hey guys, Mike Grady here, day number 9 of the ClickFunnels Builders Challenge. And today the topic was, how do we create unique offers for the product or service that we're selling? Most businesses have a product or a service, and that's it. And the point is that you have competitors, and those competitors have a product. And what ends up happening is when the consumer is looking for a solution to their problem and they're looking for your product, they're going to get online and they're going to look for your product and then look at your competitors, see what your price is, see what your competitor's price is, and pick the lowest price. What ends up happening is now everybody is in a race to the bottom. Who can sell the product at the lowest possible price and still be profitable? That's a horrible business model. So what we want to do is we want to separate ourselves out from everybody else that has a product or a service and turn that product into an offer. Turn it into an offer that is so new and unique only to you, that now you go from a very red ocean to a completely blue ocean. So what do I mean? We take our physical product and we start adding elements to it. So not only does somebody buy your product, but then they can also get information that will actually help their lives in association with that product. The way we do that, we can add in the written word, we can add in the audio word, we can add in a physical product, or we can add in some other sort of value. So let me talk a little bit about what I mean by the written word. So let's say somebody's going to buy your product, but then you can also give them an ebook that's specific to that product and how to use it or how it benefits their life. Same thing with the written word. Some people like to read, so they'll like the ebook. But what you can do is you can also take that same ebook and create a video or even audio of you just reading the ebook, because most people like to learn visually. Create a video, put it on YouTube, create an audio, put it on a podcast, all right? Or you can actually turn that into a physical book and actually sell that physical book as part of your product packaging. All they do is pay for shipping. Or you can actually do a combination of all those and put it into a big package. So what you're doing is you're adding on layers of value to your product. And now, with those additional layers of value, your product is now more valuable than your competitor who's just selling that product. So that's the big takeaway from the day. And of course, there's a lot more detail about how we actually create these products and how we do it quickly and easily. To write a book, it's going to take you about a year. To sell somebody else's book who's already written on that topic, where you go out and get licensing rights, takes about a phone call and a credit card. To create a video, what does it take to sit in front of a camera or just in front of a microphone and read the book or read the 3 or 4 page ebook? It takes about 15 minutes. To produce that ebook into a physical book, you can send it off to a publishing house who will not only publish it for you, but will actually send out the product for you directly to the consumer. So there's lots of different ways to create the content. That's actually the easy part. The big concept is take a look at your product, and you can do this for any product. Doesn't matter, like me, if I'm selling anchor systems or if I'm selling information systems. Doesn't matter if I'm selling spatulas. If you're a chiropractor and you're doing chiropractic adjustments, what else are you doing in the nutrition business? What are you doing in the weight loss? What are you doing in supplements? All these are layers that can be added on to your base chiropractic adjustment. Let's say you're a dentist. So you have dental procedures. What are you doing in the nutrition space? Because excess sugar causes cavities. What can you do to put together some sort of video series that talks about nutrition? It talks about how your diet affects your teeth. What if you're in the pest control industry and you have a pest service, a quarterly pest service? How about DIY videos where you actually show people what you do? Because what will end up happening is people, once they trust you that you know what you're doing, they're not going to do it. That's why they want you, so you can do it for them, but they know what you're doing. And now your service is more valuable than your competitor. So hopefully, again, the big concept, the big takeaway is take a look at your product and what layers of value can we add to it.